Welcome to Webydo. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to work with Webydo's powerful text editor. You will learn how to set different designs to text elements, make your content perfect for search engines, and how to work more efficiently and save a lot of time. Let's start by dropping a text element into our canvas. When choosing the text, the paragraph properties is opened on the right panel with all of these design options, and the paragraph style floating window with these basic styles ready for you to use. It's very important to understand how to use this panel and always define every paragraph with a unique style in order to make a clean code site, which will dramatically improve your site's ranking in different search engines. In order to have clean code in your website, you need to make sure that all paragraphs are organized in a clear hierarchy so it will be easier for search engines. This is where the paragraph's headings are coming in. The page title style should be set for the most important content, and it's marked in the code of the website as paragraph heading H1. This paragraph will be in the highest hierarchy for search engines and thus much easier to find. A title style should be set for the second important content and will be signed in the code as H2. Use the subtitle style as H3 and so. The normal style should be set for texts which are last in the importance hierarchy. Its paragraph heading code will be set to P as paragraph. In the Paragraph Properties panel, you can set and change the visuality of the paragraph style. In the Font option, you can choose from hundreds of free, open-source fonts optimized for the web, ensuring accurate typography and preserving your website's desired look and feel. Under Add Font, you can search for fonts by name, or just scroll down and choose accordingly from the full list of fonts. Clicking on your desired choice will move the font type to the right column. When you press OK, you will see the font you choose at the top of the list of fonts, adding to a display of the 5 typefaces that you used recently. You can easily set the weight of your paragraph and its color. And in here, you can see what the paragraph's heading is set to. P for paragraph, H1, H2, and so on. The text size, kerning, leading, indent, and margins options can be defined by inserting a number, using the small arrows, or by using the most convenient vertical scroller. In order to increase the numbers in increments of 10 pixels, simply hold the Shift key while using the up or down arrow on your keyboard. The Delete key will make an auto status. This will keep the browser's text setting as default. Using the Text Indent option will shift inside the first line of the paragraph. The Margin Top option controls spacing before the paragraph starts, and the Margin Bottom option controls the spacing after the paragraph's end. Here are some more useful design options, such as making the paragraph's font italic, transforming the first character of each word to uppercase, transforming all characters to uppercase or lowercase, underline, and line through. This is the text alignment and the paragraph's direction. Now, let's check the Paragraph Styles window. When working on the properties of a style, a small plus sign is added to the style. That means that on this style, some changes have occurred. You can override the selected style with the changes that you made. This action will change all paragraphs set with that style. You can also save changes made on a style as a new style with a unique paragraph heading. Or you can reverse to the original style, ignoring the changes that you've made. With the panel above the text element, you can make changes to the content and make small character changes. You can insert images to the paragraph and align it to the text. Use this Align option to align it manually. This option allows you to resize the image and locate it wherever you want. You can mark a text and define it as a link. You can link it to a URL, anchor, email, page, or even a file. You can set a target window where this link will open, on the same window, on a new window, or in a pop-up. You can insert a table and use a different font weight for a specific character, such as bold, italic, and underline. You can insert bullets to your paragraph and numbering list. If you like to reset the characteristic changes that you made, select the Remove Format option. So now, after learning the basics of the text editor, I would like to put your attention to several things. In a text element, the Enter key is dividing text into separate paragraphs, which means that in a single text element, you can set several styles. For your convenience, when hovering above the Properties panel, a marking area will show you the paragraph you are currently working on. If you override the properties of a style, all texts which were set in this style will automatically change to the override new style. This will definitely save you a lot of time if you like to change the properties of your text in your whole website at once. As for the ones who have made a website already with Webydo and used our old text editor, when you'll open your site and click on your text elements, you'll probably see these windows open. In order to use the options I've just taught you, simply choose a style for your text element. Set the properties of the paragraph as it was before, the font, color, and more, and override the current style. Now, go to another text element that should have the same style like the one you've designed now. Select it and set the style as you want. Simple as that. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching this tutorial about the text editor. If you have any questions, we're always here to help.